Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome. Today I'm fed up. I am fed up of having to see poo in my garden. Yes, it did not really tight wrong. My neighbor's cat has turned my backyard and my parking spot into what I don't even know. I don't know what is going on because number one, I would say I didn't even notice it until say a couple of weeks ago. I just used to see this black cat come into the compound, and every time I try to get my phone to record it, it goes away, it runs away. But before it goes, it leaves poo. My children have not been able to go out and play. Now the weather is clearing up and spring is just around the corner. And for this reason, I'm still a bit skeptical about allowing my children to go out because they're just running around on the grass. They're not even looking at where they're going. And they're bringing poo. They're going to be bringing poo back into the house, and I don't want that. So I went online and I researched for natural remedies to get rid of cats. And I found something. So that's what we're going to sort out today. Well, the boys will be home any moment from now. By the way, you guys, I have reorganized my whole house. It's been a while since I've done a vlog, and that's because, gosh, time. I don't have time for anything, but let me show you what the space looks like now. All right, so I have moved my dining to this side of the house, and my treadmill is over there now. This is somewhat moved. It was on this side before, but it's moved here now. That's my living room area. So yeah, I've just folded a pile of laundry, and I'm going to sort them out very soon. That's my boys' blankets there. I'm going to leave that around for them to wear when they come back. I've moved this chair here, and my olive plant is still where it is. I've moved this one here as well. This chair is here, and my first son has colonized the chair. Like, I don't know. I'm only able to sit on it when they've gone to bed. So my lamp has moved to this corner. The clock is still where it is. That picture frame is still where it is. The TV is now here, and my bird of paradise plant is now behind the TV, and everything is basically where it is. I'm supposed to take that out, but ignore it. Anyway, I did a load of laundry today, and that's for my bath mats and things like that. So I have like the one in the hallway, the one in the bathroom, and they're still a bit wet, but the sun is gone now, so I might as well just take it in. This is for my kitchen. You guys know this one already. And this one's for my room. Anyway, let me show you guys the poo I'm talking about. There's one here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's one there. Oh gosh, this is some in there. I have to be careful where I'm stepping now. There was one big one here. Yeah. This is another one. I don't know if you can see it well, but it's just everywhere. There's some scattered all around there, and I'm not looking to go there. But there's something I want to show you. There's something else I want to show you. Ugh, this is another one, but it's really disgusting, but it's coming in through that place. It has dug a hole there for itself just to gain access, and it also comes from over the fence as well. Anyway, I found a remedy, and I'm going to be doing that and take care of this nonsense once and for all. So before the boys come, I'll just take this out. Somebody's crying, somebody's crying, Anyway, the remedy for this cat is to sprinkle citrus. Any kind of citrus. It could be oranges, it could be lemon, it could be tangerine, whatever. Just citrus. It has to be in the citrus family. I hear that cats hate citrus, so that's what I'm going to do. Now, thankfully, this brand that I've worked with in the past, AmaZChef, they sent me their juicer. I've reviewed their juicer in the past. Back in Darlington, I've reviewed their Odogu blender. Now they've sent me this juicer and I cannot wait to use it because I need to take care of this nonsense and also enjoy fresh juice. Anyway, let's unbox this together. I have this amount of oranges and lemon to make fresh orange juice because it's a craving right now. Anyways, I was buying store-bought. I thought I'll just make my own and then use the shafts to take care of my cat problem. Okay. So these are all of the peels from my orange and lemon. I'm not going to sprinkle this out as is. I'm going to dry some and I'm also going to be juicing this further just so that I can be able to sprinkle it out outside. These are all my lemons. I have 5 of them here. I've used the rest to drink tea because I'd rather have lemon in my tea than have milk. If you're dodgy, you know. And these are all my oranges. Okay, so let's juice. just hope this whole thing doesn't backfire and I don't have a bird infestation because of all this pulp and seeds that I've just thrown at the back of my backyard. I couldn't even make it to the parking lot because it's cold. Anyway, we'll see how this goes, but I can't have poo on my backyard, especially now that it's getting warmer and my boys need to be outside playing. And the funny thing is, I don't even know which neighbor owns the cat. I just know that the cat comes and it's black. God help us. Anyway, thanks again to AmaZchef for sponsoring today's video. You guys know what to do. The link to this product will be in my description box, so please go ahead, click on it and use my unique code to get 15% off this particular product. I'll also link it in my Amazon front store, just in case you're seeing this video much later and my discount code is no longer valid. Okay, to get some amazing discount if you use my Amazon storefront link. Okay,
but what would today's video be if I did not leave you with at least one recipe? Anyway, apart from the fresh juice, you're also getting this Korean inspired pork tenderloin, and it was the truth. It was so delicious, it was spicy, it was everything, it was flavor bomb. Anyway, this is the recipe. The list to all my ingredients will be in the description box as per usual. I'm not going to talk too much, I'm just going to let you enjoy the video. I will see you in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog with me. You're getting to see this recipe before Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, on both handles, for my lifestyle page and also for my food content, you guys should go ahead and search for Tola Lusi on Instagram, as well as Cook with Tola Lusi on Instagram, and that's where I get to share all my long and short form content there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Remember to try these recipes out and tag me in your creations. Until the next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye.